Is Delhi banning old trucks and buses? In today's editorial, we're going to talk about it. So come, let's have a look. Now, can scheme to replace NCR's old trucks and buses curb the pollution? See, just 3% vehicles, but a giant pollution problem is there. So in Delhi NCR, old trucks and buses make up a tiny share of vehicles, that is 3%, yet they contribute a disproportionately large amount of harmful pollution. The government is now betting on a new scheme to change that. Now, what exactly is the news? The Union Cabinet has approved the 2-year clean mobility scheme for Delhi NCR. The aim is to replace old trucks and buses with cleaner vehicles that comply with BS6 emission standards. Now, the scheme targets older and highly polluting vehicles and encourages a shift to cleaner and technology. Now, let us talk about the background. Why is Delhi's air so bad? See, Delhi NCR regularly faces severe air pollution due to vehicle emissions, road and construction dust, industrial pollution, biomass and stubble burning, weather condition that trap the pollutants. Now, while many factors contribute, transport remains one of the biggest pollution sources. Why is the focus on old bus and trucks? See, a surprising fact is that old trucks and buses are only about 3% of the vehicle fleet. Yet they release a very large share of harmful pollutants. Studies show that transport contributes around 40% of carbon monoxide, around 63% of nitrogen oxide that come from transport, and trucks and buses contribute significantly to PM 2.5 pollution, which is most dangerous for human health. Now, what exactly is BS6? Let us understand that. The BS is Bharat Stage Standards, are India's vehicle emission norms. BS6 vehicles emit much less pollution, have advanced emission control technology, produce lower PM, NOx and other harmful gases. And a simple example is a pre-BS trucks can pollute up to 14 times more than a modern BS6 truck. Now, there are multiple dimensions to it: environmental dimension, public health dimension, economic dimension, governance dimension and social dimension. There are challenges also: high replacement cost for vehicle owners, need for adequate incentives and financing. Old vehicles may move to another states instead of being scrapped. Pollution from dust, industries and stubble burning will still remain. Enforcement and monitoring remain critical. Now, this becomes highly important for GS paper 3, environment and pollution, and there are important bodies involved: Commission for Air Quality Management, Ministry of Environment and Union Cabinet. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.